This is the video guide about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site Inarilyhukel.info. So this site Inarilyhukel.info is absolutely fake and really deceptive. So it attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. It tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you continue your browsing and to verify that you are not a robot. Nevertheless, to click on allow is certainly a serious mistake, because this would hijack the browser with a lot of intrusive advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of permanent web push notifications. Therefore, if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you need to get your browser urgently fixed. So access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions, click on Notifications. Now you need to pay attention to all these sites allowed to send notifications and remove these malicious sites if you find them on the list. If you don't remove them, you will see a lot of such advertisements that will be popping up and distracting your attention greatly. So take your time, one by one, get rid of all these malicious sites in case you find them on the list. There is a program that can help you do that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. So download the program, install it, and then once it gets installed, start investigating your computer with its help to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.